Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete drafts on Splice. Splice Video Editor and Maker is a simple yet powerful iPhone app for the editing videos. As you work on the project, the app automatically saves unfinished work as drafts so you can return to them later, and over time these drafts can accumulate and you might want to delete old or unwanted drafts to keep your workspace clean, and here's how to do it. So simply open to a Splice app from your home screen, and if you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And after that, over here under this My Project, we can find this draft, and drafts are usually displayed on the bottom showing unfinished project. What you can do is simply select on this three dot icon of the draft. Over here you'll find this option for either rename or the delete. Simply tap on the delete and select delete on the bottom, and this is it. The draft has just been deleted, and repeat for any additional draft you want to remove. And be sure before deleting, once a draft is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Regularly clearing old drafts keep your app faster and your workspace organized. You can also rename the draft instead of deleting them if you just want to keep them organized. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to delete drafts on Splice. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.